Another curiosity, 5 tips and tricks for approaching women. Numeric 1, Introduction and Engagement. Welcome to another curiosity, where we explore various strategies for approaching women in the right way. But before we begin, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on future videos. And stay tuned for a special bonus at the end. As we navigate through these challenging times with COVID-19 and social distancing measures in place, online platforms have become a great option, especially for shy individuals. Social media and online dating apps provide a comfortable space to initiate conversations and set up virtual dates. However, it's important to be prepared for when restrictions are lifted, and in-person interactions become the norm again. Let's discuss a game plan because knowing how to approach women is crucial for building relationships. Numeric 2, Making eye contact and smiling. One of the first steps in approaching a woman is establishing eye contact and offering a friendly smile. This allows her to acknowledge your presence without feeling overwhelmed. Most women are already cautious about being approached, so making eye contact and smiling helps create a welcoming atmosphere. Imagine it as preheating an oven before cooking a turkey. It sets the right temperature from the beginning and makes the process smoother. When you catch her eye, hold the gaze for a few seconds until she consciously breaks the eye contact. Many women will look back to see if you're still looking at them, creating a playful dynamic. Remember to smile to appear approachable. If you struggle with eye contact, practice it with strangers in public places until it becomes natural. Numeric 3, Observing the environment. Before approaching a woman, take a moment to observe her and the surroundings. Make sure she isn't occupied or distracted. For example, if she's on the phone, wearing headphones, engrossed in reading, or giving off an unwelcoming vibe. Timing is crucial, and it can make the difference between a successful approach and a failed one. Ensure she is receptive and ready to engage in conversation before making your move. Numeric 4, Approaching with confidence. Once you've made eye contact and received a positive response, it's time to approach her immediately. Hesitation can make you appear unsure and lacking confidence. Show her that you are decisive. If you feel nervous, take a deep breath to calm yourself. Remember that whatever happens, it's not the end of the world. Avoid negative thoughts and approach her with a clear, confident, and powerful voice. Numeric 5, Conversation starters. Before approaching, prepare some conversation starters in your mind. You don't want to reach her and find yourself at a loss for words. The first words you say should be spoken clearly, confidently, and with impact. Engaging in an interesting conversation is crucial. The goal is to connect with her on an emotional level and create instant attraction. Consider using the environment as a conversation starter. For example, if you're at a bar, you could say, "Hey, it's pretty crowded here tonight, isn't it?" There are multiple approaches you can take to initiate a conversation. Bonus tip: additional advice on approaching. Here are some additional tips to consider when approaching women. Walk with confidence, maintaining good posture, lifting your chin slightly, and letting your arms rest loosely by your side. Walking briskly portrays confidence. Approach her from the front or side, never from behind, as that can be perceived as threatening. Now, let's explore 4 different approaches to start a conversation. Direct approach. Simply approach and introduce yourself, saying something like, "Hi, I'm James. Mind if I join you?" Icebreaker approach. Use a context-specific icebreaker that suits the situation. For example, starting with a compliment creates an immediate positive interaction. Make sure the compliment is genuine. For instance, "That's a beautiful dress you're wearing. I like it. My name is Peter. What's yours?" Seeking assistance approach. Ask for help, such as, "Hey, do you know a good place to grab coffee around here?" From there, you can build the conversation. Humorous approach. Starting a conversation with humor can lighten the mood, but ensure you have something genuinely funny to say. Avoid cliché pickup lines, as they lack originality. Chances are, she has heard them all before, and they're not effective. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave a positive comment, as I read and respond to all of them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.